In the box, the Polycom VVX300 comes complete with the base unit, a handset cord, a network cable, a stand, and documentation. Standard features of the VVX300 are 6 lines of speed dial, backlit graphical LCD display, Polycom's HD voice technology, internal speaker, and hard keys that include standard 12-button keypad, volume control, home, 4-way navigation cluster, headset, speaker, mute, transfer, messages, and hold. Ports on the VVX300 include a headset port for hands-free use, 2 Ethernet 10100 ports, and a port for connecting an optional expansion module. Setup is easy. Plug in the network connection and handset cord. Then snap on the base.